Hello. Today we're discussing the new Add Data tool in the oil and gas and water well WWC5 mappers. To use this tool, expand Display Tools and click on Add Data. From here, the data window, click again on Click to Add Data, and a new window appears. From here, the search will search ArcGIS Online for GIS data. We have a preset collection of KGS data available. We also have the Kansas DASC portal on here that you can search. And then you can also search all of ArcGIS Online, your own content, as well as the Living Atlas. Today, we're going to search the KGS data. So let's say we want to add surficial geology to our map. We'll search for geology in KGS data and click on the State Surficial Geologic Units. Once that's highlighted, we can see we have one data layer selected, and we'll click Done. From here, if you want to rename your data, you can use the pencil. Otherwise, under Actions, we can click Add to Map. So you can see now the State Surficial Geology has been added to the map. These will operate like other data layers in our table of contents. You can reorder them, and you can also adjust the transparency. So let's set this to 50%. And then we can zoom into an area, and you can see now the regular oil and gas map, but in concert with the data that we added. The data that you add is current and will stay in the map for that particular map session. So for example, if we do something like refresh, you'll see that the extent in this case is the same, but the surficial geology is no longer included in the map. Depending on your browser settings, the data might still appear in your data window, but you will need to re-add it for every map session that you want that data to appear. Beyond just ArcGIS Online, you can also have the ability to upload your own data. And this is something that is very valuable, especially if you work in fields where you're regularly generating GIS data. So to demonstrate that, if you have your own map server, you can use the URL feature, but also you can upload files. So for example, if you're uploading a shapefile, be sure that you zip up every part of that shapefile. It can have 4 to 10 different files involved, so just be sure that you upload all of them. I have uploaded a project area, so I'll click Done. The shapefile has been uploaded to ArcGIS Online's cloud, and it has created a layer of it. So now we can add that to our map. And you can see that my project area is now part of the map. This also works with CSV files. However, just be sure with the CSV, if it contains coordinates, the coordinates must be in WGS 84 or NAD 83 for it to work. So I'm uploading a CSV file that I've created. I will add that to my map. And now you can see the regular oil and gas mapper in concert with surficial geology, my project area of a shapefile, and a CSV file of points. I believe that covers everything that I wanted to today. So I hope you find this tool as cool and as helpful as I do. Thanks.